morning we are going to a school. The first school I went to, it was all girls. I liked it. It was big and busy. We went there twice.
I did cheerleading.
The thing I like about it is there's lots of English rooms. The thing I don't like about it is that we don't get lunch for a lot of time. I think it's 25 minutes, I think. Second school I went to, it was boys and girls. It's my favourite. And it's got a big hall. It's got a big open space. It's a longer lunch.
Music studio.
Yeah. Lots of drama rooms. A walkie thingy.
What?
The walkie thingy. The thing that I've always wanted to go on, the gym thing.
Treadmill.
Yeah. We're going to the third one now. I'm not sure I like it or not, because I think it's got naughty children in it. Yeah. Bye.
Explain what we're doing. Okay, so we're outside the library.
Yeah.
And every time we're outside the library, Ella gets a massive deja vu. Go on, do it.
Take my
Quick.
hand, we'll make it last well. Ooh, Squidward on a chair, Squidward on a chair.
Every time we're outside the library, we have to stand in this particular place. And Ella.
Take my hand, we'll make it last well. Ooh, Squidward on a chair.
Why is that a thing?
Squidward on a chair.
Why is this a thing?
I just got it stuck in my head one day.
But every time we're here, we're like, oh quick, we gotta go over there.
Yeah, I heard it on YouTube once, and then I got it stuck in my head one day when we was here, so I sang it when we were standing in this position, and he was like, baby, like, I'm like,
We've got chocolate bunny shops.
yeah.
Oh my goodness. So, right now I'm so embarrassed to be sitting in my car. Nowhere I can put you, I've got to hold you. Like, my car is covered in poop and berries. Look, can you see? Look, I'm not even joking, look how bad it is. And I've just run out of windscreen washer stuff. Look, the outside is shocking. Oh my god, it is so bad. What am I supposed to do? I was gonna I'm gonna try and get it clean today at the jet wash place. Just do it ourselves, just the outside. But I am just, it is 11:09, just done the tour. Now I'm sitting in my car because Chris is off today. So I phoned Chris just because I just thought that we would be doing something today because he's off. Like, we never get opportunity to do anything. And I phoned him and was like, hello. I'm like, hi. I'm like, what's wrong? Nothing. I can't be bothered. Like, I'd rather sit in a car on my own for an hour than surround myself with people who don't want to do anything with me. What is the point? So I'm just gonna stay at the school, wait for Zachary to come out, and then go home. I've not even had anything to eat today. That's what I thought. I thought Chris could come and meet me. We could go and get something to eat, or shouldn't bother. Why do I bother? Anyway, so the school we went to see is the school that I was like dead set against going to, but now she wants to put it at the top of her list. I was like, you crazy girl. Like, why on earth? Like, I don't think it's better than what she's chosen, but it actually is. Like, the numbers are better, the grades are better. It's like the one Ella said that's all the naughty kids go to. But she loved it. There is a lot for her, because what I was worried about with Ella is Ella getting left behind, because she's quiet but very academic and she likes to be a leader, so like a quiet leader. But I spoke to one of the teachers and she assured me that there was things like in place for children like Ella for her to do, and there is a lot. And like, she's already talking about going in early for book club. You get like raffle tickets every time you finish a book. Like, that child has read Girl Online and The Cursed Child this week alone. And she's reading another one. She's reading Moxie. and another book from the library, but she reads a lot, so anything you place that up for her. So yeah, the plan was when I go home is to do the list and just get her secondary schools down so it's done. But now I'm worried that she's just getting ahead of herself just because it's like fresh on her mind. So I think we need a refresh. I really do think. I don't want to make a rush decision for her. So I'm going to wait until she gets back. I'm going to go through all 3 schools. But honestly, like, I've got nothing to record today. I'm just like stuck out. I think I'm just going to go home and just tidy up. The best thing to do. I'm obviously not going to get my car washed. People are just going to stare at me like, what the hell? Like, can you see the purple? Like here. Really needs sorting. I don't know what to do. Anyway, see you later. Bye. It's me again. Looking like rubbish again. Oh well, again. Washing up again. It's my job again. Right. So I know, another boring day. I literally can't cope and I've chopped my head off. I need structure. Anyway, what I wanted to talk about was, has anyone noticed, right, I'm 31, so late 20s, early 30s, but how much your taste changes as you get older? Like, I would say that I've always had coffee. Like, my nan and granddad always gave me like milky coffee when I was younger. Can't ever remember not having coffee. Like, at home I hardly drink it anymore. I don't know if it's because I've turned into a snob or because of like milk, because that's another thing. I can only drink milk from Tesco's. I can only drink milk from Tesco's. Like, how bad is that? Because any other milk tastes different. Like, we got our milk from Lidl's and I taste like the coffee and I'm like, no, that's not Tesco's. It tastes funny. I don't know what to do. I don't like anything anymore. But I want to just eat like fruit and veg all day because that's what tastes the best. But do you realise how expensive fruit and veg is? It's ridiculous. So it's like 1:30 now. I'm leaving at 2:40 to go and get the kid. Ella's super nervous about tomorrow. Out of it. Ridiculous. Well, Ella's like really nervous about tomorrow. Gonna come home, have dinner, stick her in a bath and do her hair. I'm hoping that the hairnet I've got her will go okay. She's so nervous, but she's so good at gymnastics. Like, really good. But I'm not going because I've got Zach. I'm absolutely gutted because I'd love to have gone. But Chris is working. And it's like, oh, I want Zach because he's crazy. But he's not really. Once you have him, he's good as gold. But I can't go because if I take Zach, he will cause chaos. But her granddad's going. And her nan. So it's not like she won't have people there. I don't think she wear makeup. Do gymnasts wear makeup? Like eyeshadow and lipstick. I don't know. I'm going to try and put her hair up really tight. Obviously I've got that hairnet. But I don't know. No idea. All I know is that child she's a born leader. She just needs to get out of her shell a bit more. But when it comes to it, she can do it. Like, if you don't speak to Ella, she won't speak to you, which is like me. I'm well aware, that's what I'm like. But she stood up and done a manifesto, spoke in front of the school for a head girl speech. I can do that. She like does performances. I couldn't have done that. When I was like in primary school, me and my mates were so shy. We was just we got given, didn't get given a part. We was like the 3 angels, and we had to go on the stage, and all we had to do was go, ah. That was like all we had to do. and we couldn't do it, so the whole choir had to do it with us, while we just sort of like stood on the stage looking down at our feet. Like now, if I was doing it now, I think I'd be like, ooh. I don't know what was wrong with me. I was so like painfully shy. Oh, how different. If I could do primary school and secondary school all over again, it would be so different. But I think things have changed. There's so much more, like the opportunities that Alfie and Ella have got is amazing. Alfie doesn't take this opportunity, so they just had biology week at school, and like after school you stay and you can like do rat dissection, frog dissection. They had like massive millipedes, centipedes, whatever. So it's like, oh, really, really good. I think they had eyeballs as well. Anyway, Alfie didn't want to do it because he wanted to get home. But Ella's a sort of kid who will do everything. She can do street dance at her school since reception, choir since reception. She's done cross country, she's done gymnastics, horse riding. That girl does everything she possibly can. But we didn't have that sort of opportunity. I wish I did though. Oh, actually, saying that, I know by me we had like a dance club. I can remember going. I must have been really, really young, about 4 or 5. I don't know, maybe a bit older. But I really wanted to go dance club, and I went to dance club, and I can remember just hiding under the table, and I wouldn't come out the table because I was just so scared. Just very painfully shy. I went brownies once, but I was too embarrassed because I couldn't remember the brownie promise after the first one, so I never went back. So yeah, going to see if Chris has anything to say. I doubt it because he's miserable.
What are you doing? What of me?
Yeah.
I wouldn't bother, I'm boring. What are you doing? Don't understand why I'm not doing anything. So I don't understand why I'm not doing anything.
Can you tell us any interesting facts that you know?
I don't know, I can't think of any interesting facts.
Do you have anything interesting? Full stop.
Not in a minute.
Are you dying?
Everyone's dying.
Yeah, but most people spend their time living.
That's the thing. You're embarrassed.
Yeah, it's not covered in poo. The school you went to today. What?
He just pointed at the car and said, look, poo.
It's poo. We're covered in poo.
Look,
I'm just hiding.
that was embarrassing.
So you went to view the school that you didn't really want to view.
Yeah.
Well, tell them how it went.
Oh, I liked it. It's
Well,
my
you might have
top
liked it.
option.
Right, is anything coming your way?
No.
Oh,
Keep you still.
I'd say thank you.
Oh, what? To who? Oh. Thank you. Okay, up there. I really liked it, and it's.
But it's a school that you least wanted to go view. All I can say is I'm really proud because as a child I would have been so stubborn and be like, no, I hate it. I could have loved it, but honestly, ask Nanny, as a child I would never admit that I was wrong. So I could have gone in loving it and be like, no, I don't want to go there, I hate it. So I'm just proud that you're like honest.
So the first one is the one that I didn't like. That's mixed. The second one is the other one.
You
that's
didn't
mixed
like?
and
What one
coarse.
didn't you like?
My first option. C-O-O. The one that we've used today.
Oh yeah.
So one that we've used today is first. The one.
Which is weird because it was like last.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one.
One beginning with F is second.
Yeah, and then the one beginning with
B.
B is third.
And then the other one beginning with C is fourth.
Yeah. We have a poo car. Look at the window, like.
I know, these girls go to that school. At the school you went to today, they do things like you get raffle tickets for every book you read.
Yeah.
And get entered into a competition, don't you?
Mm.
But how many books do you read?
Well, I've read 3 in the past 2 weeks, I think, or 1 week. Because Go Online came
Go Online, on tour.
Moxie.
No, Go Online going solo.
Yeah.
Moxie, you're reading now, but you finished The Cursed Child.
Yeah.
In how many days? 2?
2.5, yeah.
Okay, how long did it take you to read Go Online going solo?
2.5.
The weekend?
Yeah. So you're at the low view. So there's people who can't vlog at all, i.e. me. There's people who are a noob like me. These are people like Mummy who can vlog and they're like super cool.
I'm not super cool. Have you seen my face? When's the last time I wore makeup? I look like a hot mess. At least
You're
I'm
not
hot.
wearing makeup!
Oh my God.
You still look beautiful! Are you seriously not wearing makeup? Are you not wearing
Of
makeup?
course I'm not. Look at my face.
You look so nice! I thought you
You're
was!
really embarrassing me.
No, seriously, I thought you was. Just imagine her with makeup now, right? Oh, it's purple, look.
So, half term, the plan is you're baking cookies.
Cookies?
Or you're gonna do a cake.
Yeah.
I know, my car's got poo on it. Move along, move along. You're gonna do cookies.
Like a cake with like
You wanna do a
Halloween
cake?
stuff. Yeah, with like icing of like ghosts. Snapchat logo. Woo.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, but that means we've got to like go out and buy like tins and things.
Well, we already have a lot of tins, don't we?
No, we have round cake tins. How are you gonna shape it? Oh, actually, hey Grandma.
Oh yeah, hi.
Let's see if we can borrow some bits from Grandma.
Yeah, or actually make it that way. She can help me.
So, Grandma owns a cake shop. Grandma is very lovely.
And then on Halloween, we can bring the cake into school.
No, you can't do that.
Okay.
People have allergies. So, we're going to do that. We need to do, I thought I would do, you know your broken doll?
No.
Your cracked doll?
Oh yeah.
But I'm not sure about like lighting in that, but we can try. What do you want to be this year?
I'm not even sure. Like Harley Quinn, but that like.
You've been Harley
so
Quinn?
much. No, I haven't.
Oh, well, you have been Harley Quinn. We've done Harley Quinn makeup.
Yeah, but not like.
That was really good as well. Very, very simple, wasn't it? Just red and blue.
Yeah. And all for a Musical.ly.
Yeah, but that was cool. That was good makeup.
Mm.
What about a clown? I really want to do it like a clown.
Wouldn't that like be against the law?
Huh?
Isn't that against the law now?
Jack wants to be Spider-Man, okay?
Yeah.
So, but you know Spider-Man's obviously red with the black web line.
Yeah.
He wants to be Spider-Man, but the red has to be blood. How on earth am I going to do this?
Just use red lipstick.
I want to do mine. What can I do? It's been interesting in like weird facts. Like, I'm like my granddad. Everyone used to say about my granddad that he was full of like useless information, and I'm lucky enough to be the same way.
What granddad that says in Journey?
Yeah, my other grandfather.
Good, because he won.
Pardon?
He was like the old Ron Weasley.
What? Granddad that sits in the chair and eats was also full of useless information. It's not a bad thing. It's like, it's just like clever facts that you know, but no one else really cares about. But
Yeah.
like the things that I know that people don't, I feel like well lucky to know that, and I love knowing things that other people don't know. Like I can't give you something right now. Has to be in the moment, but it's cool.
Yeah.
I think I'm cool.
We're gonna go here.
I don't know if we're going to see you for the rest of the day. Are we going to see him again?
Well, it's been 10 minutes.
Okay, I'm sure by the time we've edited this down, I want to aim every video for 15 minutes, so it's going wrong. So, do you want to say bye to everyone?
Let's try not to edit and do it exactly 15 minutes.
No.
Oh, that stinks. Thanks for watching Vlogtober 2017, day 15?
No.
14?
What's tomorrow? 14th. 14. Day 14.
14. So, please like, subscribe. So, get out and then press that button there, next to our name. And comment, so go boop, 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 send, and send it nice, not like that little girl.
We had our first trial. High five. Trolls! Bye.
Bye.